What's up, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to install OpenShift in your Mac. Okay, uh, let us get started. First, what we need to do is we need to install the HyperKit. So the command to install that is brew install HyperKit. Okay, then let me open a terminal here and issue the command brew install HyperKit. Okay, let's wait a bit. So it's downloading now. Okay, so after we install the HyperKit, you can verify first the version HyperKit. So the version is this. Alright, so after we install the HyperKit, the next step is we download the CRC binary file. Okay, CRC stands for code ready containers. Okay, so let me copy and paste this. So take note of this URL. This is the location of the CRC binary file. Okay, so let's download this. So I think this one takes time. So while downloading the CRC, we can also concurrently we can also download the OpenShift Client, the OC. Okay, let's open a new terminal and download the OpenShift Client. Let me copy and paste the URL. Alright, so take note of this URL for OpenShift Client. Okay, so let's wait a bit while downloading the OpenShift Client and the CRC. Alright, okay, the OpenShift Client is done already. Okay, so this is the zip file or the tar. We will extract this file to get the OC binary file, okay, or the executable file. Let me issue the command. Where maybe we should create a one folder where we put this binary zip file or the archive. Okay, let's create let's see, OpenShift binary. Okay, so first the client is done already. We move it here. Let's check the CRC is still downloading. Okay, so let's leave it alone. Then we go to cd OpenShift binary. Okay, so this is the tar. We extract the file. It's tar format, right? So tar, let me check my cheat sheet here. Tar xvf, then the name of the tar file. So we are doing this to extract the file. Okay, so this is the content of this tar file OC. Okay, so we can check the version of this OC. OC. Version. Anyway, at we need to move this OC or OpenShift client to user local binary. The reason for that, so that we can execute it even we are let me check again. The reason for that is that it will allow us to execute this command even wherever we are in the wherever we are basically. So as currently we are in users, then my username and OpenShift -bin folder, right? So as you can see, there is no OC here, but since we move it to this system folder, now is the scope of OC become global, so it's accessible anywhere. So we can check now. OC. Anyway, let's skip that step. I think it's not necessary. Now our CRC download is completed already. We can extract it as well. First, let's move the binary to our OpenShift dustbin folder. Alright. Then we execute the same command, tar. We have to extract the binary file. Tar, let me check the command, tar xbf, then the name of the tar file. Alright. I think I extract the same file. This is the crc tar file. So tar xbf, then the crc tar file. Okay, so now we got the, I still extracting because I believe that the crc command is big. Okay, so we go to this folder, cd, then we move the crc to user local bin folder to make the scope global. Okay, so let's check our local bin. In this folder, we should be seeing the crc and the OC. Alright. Okay, let me check the after that we also need, after downloading the client, after downloading the OpenShift client, which is the OC, and the crc, which is the code ready containers, we need to download the pull secret text from RedHat website. So let me go to the website. Actually, this is the website, https cloud.redhat.com/OpenShift -create -local. Okay, once you get in here, actually before you can get to this page, you have to create an account. In my case, I already create an account. Okay, so it's free anyway, so it's easy to create. It's like creating an email address. Okay, so once you create an account, you can get to this page. Then once you get to this page, you download the pull secret. Alright, in my case, I already downloaded. You just go to this folder. So this is the pull secret file. Okay, it contains some JSON, some security information. Okay, then after downloading that, you can execute we can start the crc command. Let me check. We start the crc and specify the path for the pull secret, the one we downloaded just now. Okay, enter. Let's wait a bit. It will take some time to start. Okay, starting now. So the version of our OpenShift is 4.7.0. Okay, so once we start it, we can access the uh, OpenShift console already. Let's wait a bit so we can see the URL for the OpenShift console. Let's close this. This is the old one. Let's close the previous. It will take some time, so we have to wait. If I'm not mistaken, it will take around, it says here around 2 minutes, but based on my experience, it's more than 2 minutes actually. So I think it's a bug on the OpenShift itself. I'm not sure if OpenShift or Mac, but basically this uh, timing is not accurate, not exactly. It's more than 2 minutes actually. Okay, so we have to wait a bit. Once once it's started completely, we should be able to access this URL. No, now it's still down because it's not yet completed. It's still starting. So this is the URL that we should be accessing after the server is started. HTTPS :// console-apps.crc.testing/k8s/all-namespace/deployment. Okay, takes some time. So once the server started completely, it will show the username and password that we can use to log in our OpenShift console. Normally there are admin and developer accounts, and also the URL. This URL will be displayed also here. And what else? So I believe the admin account password cannot be changed because it is randomly the password is randomly generated every time you start the server. So previously when I started, I got something like this. Yeah, cube admin, then the password is something like this. So every time we start the server, this password keep changing. Okay, for developer it's constant like this. So it's I believe that for developer account, I think we can change it, but then again I haven't tried yet. Anyway, I think it's almost done. So the command, if every time we want to start the OpenShift server, the command is crc start. Okay, then if we want to stop, then just crc, then stop. Okay, okay, let me try again. Let me reload the console. Still not, still in progress. So for command line, we have the OC, right, the OpenShift Client. So before we can execute the command, we need to pass also the username and password. So that one, we can, from the console, we can just copy the login information and paste it to our terminal if we want to use the CLI command. Oh, I think it's done already. Oh, still in progress. Let me reload the page. Okay, I think it's almost done. We just need to wait a bit. Two operators are processing console. I think it's almost done. We have to be patient. Alright, it's loading already. So at first, as you can see, it's very slow. Okay, so now it's up and running already. So we can log in. We can use the cube admin to log in, but we don't know the password yet. It should be here, so we still need to wait for the password, because the password for cube admin is as I said earlier, it's randomly generated every time you start the server. All operators are available, ensuring stability. Let's wait a bit. Let me try to log in using developer and see how. Let's see if we can log in. I believe it's still not. Yeah, we can access the login page, but in fact we cannot still log in because it's not really completely up, as we can see in the terminal. It's still there. I think now this time we can log in already. We can use the cube admin and use this password. Okay, log in. Alright, see, you can log in now. Now if you want to use the OC or the OpenShift client, the CLI, we can we can copy the login command from here. Okay, then display token, then copy this line. Okay, alright, so now you can use the OC already. So OC is basically it's like kubectl, right? So let's say OC dot get let's say all service. Alright, so currently we have these services. So I think we successfully installed our OpenShift in Mac. Okay, it's easy, right? So let me wrap up. Basically, what we did, we installed the HyperKit. The command to install HyperKit is brew install HyperKit. Take note, this procedure is applicable only on Mac. Okay, so after we install the HyperKit, we install the CRC, or the code ready containers. This is actually the server, the OpenShift server. Okay, so after we first we download the tar file of the CRC. Then after downloading the tar file, we extract it. Then after extracting it, we move the CRC executable file to this folder. Let me check again. USR local bin. Let me clear first. We move that CRC file to USR local bin. Okay, this is the file. The reason for that is that we want the executable file to be accessible anywhere. Okay, then after that, we also downloaded the OpenShift Client, which is the OC, using this URL. Okay, after downloading the OpenShift Client tar file, it's the same thing. We also extract it. Then after extracting it, we move the OC to this directory, USR local bin. So this is the file, right? OC. Again, the purpose of that is to make it accessible anywhere. Okay, so after downloading the OC and CRC files, executable or binary files, we start the server using this command: CRC start, then path, then the location or the path of the full secret file. This full secret file, we downloaded this from RedHat website, right? Let me show you again I think I lost it already. But basically it's this is the URL to download the full secret file. Let me go to that website. So for us to be able to download that full secret file, we have to create an account in RedHat. Anyway, it's free, so should be not an issue, should not be a problem. Okay, alright, so this is the file that we need to download. Okay, so again, this is the URL. https cloud.redhat.com/openshift/create/local. Okay, take note, for us to be to get into this page, we need to create our account in RedHat. It's a free account actually, so it should not be an issue. Then after creating an account, you go to this page and download the full secret. Then after downloading the full secret file, we need to execute this command: CRC start. Okay, every time we want to start the server, this is the command. Initially, of course, we need to specify the full secret, but the next time we want to start, we just need to execute CRC start. We don't need to specify this part. Okay, then if we want to stop, just issue the commands stop crc. Currently is up and running, right? crc status. So now it's up and running. So if you want to stop, we just issue crc stop. That's all. Okay, is it? I hope you learned something important today. So basically, I think that's all. So I already show you the how to use the. I already show you the OpenShift console, and the CLI, the OC. Now we can, since we already stopped the server, I think we cannot how do I say it? We cannot access the we cannot run the OC anymore because I already stopped the server. But let me check again. CRA. Yeah, it's already stopped. I'm okay. I think that's all, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you learned something important today. See you again soon. Bye bye.